Flight BA4102 for Glasgow is ready for boarding.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy. I'll be sharing my recent experiences, hotels I've stayed at, food I've tasted, various encounters, and random thoughts. Welcome to join me in Wandering the World. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are staying at the Waldorf Astoria on the Bund in Shanghai. Right now, I'm standing at one of the hotel's main entrances. To be honest, it looks pretty unassuming from the outside. Let's head straight to the room first. As soon as you step into the hotel floor, you are greeted with this incredible sense of luxury and elegance. The moment I opened the door to my room, I was hit with that view. The Bund and the Oriental Pearl Tower right outside the window. Absolutely stunning. Considering how expensive land is in Shanghai, this kind of view is seriously impressive. Check out the layout of the hotel. On this floor, there are about 10 rooms, and on this side where my room is, there are around 6 rooms that all faces toward the Pearl Tower. Now it has the walk-in wardrobe. The light is motion sensor activated. It turns on automatically when you walk in, which is very nice touch. Everything you need is here. And the door is actually a full-length mirror. The hallway in the room is floored with marble, which feels super high-end. And honestly, I was surprised to see a painting on the wall by Feng Zikai, a really famous Chinese artist. Though I'm not sure if this is an original one. What do you guys think? The bathroom is just next level. It's completely done in marble and feels really bright and open. The hotel uses ASO products, which I personally love. And of course, there's the standard 5-star welcome toilet, aka, that smart toilet. I'm not totally sure what this toadstool or stand is for, maybe for displaying flowers. Overall, the room feels super luxurious. Now let's take a look at the minibar. The tea is from the hotel's own brand and everything else looks pretty good. The only downside is the media display is a bit outdated. Maybe it's time they upgrade it to an iPad or something else. As for the bed, no complaints at all. It's really comfortable. The fridge is fully stocked too, including Asahi beer, which is always a plus. Here's the hotel's TV channel guide. The power outlets on the wall are kind of old, definitely due for an upgrade. Now let's take a moment to enjoy this unbeatable view of the Bund and the Oriental Pearl Tower. Downstairs, there's a little courtyard. I'll take you down there in a bit. Here's the room service menu, which is on the pricey side. I ordered a plate of fruit. It cost over 100 Chinese yuan, which is definitely steep. I feel lucky today though. The weather's been amazing and the view outside is just perfect. I'm gonna walk back to the window and take another look. I also noticed two extension sockets that are definitely overdue for replacement. Alright, let's go check out the courtyard. My room is just up there. Now we are in the lobby. It's beautiful, but I did notice a lot of non-hotel guests coming to take photos, which was a bit distracting. This is the breakfast area, also super elegant. And this is the back entrance of the hotel, which leads directly to the Bund. The Oriental Pearl Tower is literally just steps away. Super convenient. All in all, this is probably one of the more expensive, actually very expensive hotels I've stayed at in Shanghai. It's definitely luxurious and you can't beat the location. Overall though, I really love the Waldorf's interior design, and staying at a hotel this nice in a location like this, I do feel very lucky. The only downside was the check-in process, which wasn't as pleasant as I'd hoped. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.